Apparently in a billion years, Earth might get super hot, causing the oceans to evaporate. Ever since the Sun was formed, that was approximately 4.5 billion years ago, it has always become about 30% brighter than it was in the beginning. Therefore, in the next billion years, it might get approximately 10% brighter than it was originally. What does this mean scientifically? It means that the oceans might start to evaporate at a higher rate than it is now. The only habitable zone around the stars will be where the liquid water will be able to exist. The rough estimate of the habitable zone around the Sun may vary greatly too. There is also a chance that the conservative ones might be able to have the planet Earth just inside this habitable zone. For all these to be possible, it means that the state of the planet or the body will have to play a major role. For instance, the planet Mars is generally considered to fall inside the habitable zone around our Sun. However, less than a third of the planet Mars has the right atmospheric pressure and temperature for liquid water. That is, if at all we have any liquid or water on the planet Mars in the first place. In about a billion years, the habitable zone around the Sun will move further away, and that means that the planet Earth might not be present in the same habitable zone anymore. How quickly this process will happen is still unclear. Although, once the planet Earth gets hot enough for the ocean's bodies to start evaporating, then it is more likely to create a form of feedback loop. For example, every time the water vapor, which is a greenhouse gas, evaporates into the atmosphere, the planet Earth continues to heat up more. Subsequently, the more water continues to evaporate, then it could lead to eventually drying up of the Earth's ground, leading to the saturation of the atmosphere. After this process takes place, chances are that the water will eventually escape into space.